Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Wednesday, August 23rd, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff, or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now on to today's headlines. Financial services company Charles Schwab is planning on making extensive layoffs as well as reducing office space in several key locations to cut costs. Schwab did not say how many employees would be impacted in their SEC filing, but they are trying to generate $500 million in annual cost savings between the layoffs and footprint reduction, and are expected to incur $400 million to $500 million in fees between severance agreements, buyouts, and facility exits, so the reduction in force will be substantial. The layoffs will mostly take place over Q3 and Q4 of 2023, with some extending into 2024, and will mostly occur in non-client-facing areas. Turkish rapid grocery delivery firm Getir announced a 10% reduction in force Tuesday, impacting 2,500 couriers, warehouse, and office workers. Getir is doing a strategic reorientation, retreating from the French market and winding down in Italy, Spain, and Portugal to pursue operations in just 5 countries: Turkey, Britain, Germany, the Netherlands, and the U.S. Getir is heavily backed financially, being valued at $12 billion in March, but has never turned a profit and now is in downsizing mode. Finally, LGSTX Services, which provides material handling, facility maintenance, property management, cargo handling, and gateway operation services, is laying off 217 employees due to a permanent cease of operations at a location in Tampa. The company's president wrote that the layoffs, which jumped from 26 to an additional 191 in just a week, were so unexpected because the customer gave a sudden notice to terminate operations. The layoffs will be effective October 12th.